add-ons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free XPRO Infolist widget for Elementor. With this free XPRO Infolist widget, you can easily display your product features, services, and your achievements. Or you can also use this widget for your quick links in the footer of your website. Before we start, please make sure you have got the XPRO add-ons downloaded. If not, then I'm adding the link in the description below. Or you can watch the video of how to install and activate the XPRO Elementor Addons. Now let's get started. Let's create Infolist for this portfolio. Let's start by searching the Infolist widget from this widget panel and drag it to our desired location on this page. This is the default view of our widget. Under the Content tab, here we have this General section. We can choose vertical and horizontal layout. Let me show you. If I'm choosing horizontal layout, then it's aligned horizontally in one row. And if I'm choosing vertical, then it's aligned vertically in one column. I'm choosing here vertical. Now we have this item list option. Click on this item list title 1. Here we have this media type. From here you can choose the media type if you want to upload the icon, image, or custom. You can upload any icon from the icon library, or you can upload any image from this media library. Like this. Select and upload. And look. I'm choosing here icon. Yeah, it's better. Next we have this icon color option. From here we can choose the icon color. Here we have two options, default and custom. If we choose default, then we're going to choose these colors. If we choose custom, then we can customize the icon colors. I'm choosing here custom. Here we have normal and hover. We can choose the icon color on normal and hover state. Let's choose the normal color first. I'm choosing the content color to black. No, I think so. I should choose the white. And the background color to blue. No, black. Yeah, like this. Now we have this title option. From here we can change the title. As I'm writing here, user-centered design, like this. Now we have this HTML tag option. HTML tags like H1 to H6 decides the order of the importance for heading on a web page, where H1 is the most important and H6 is the least important. And using the correct HTML tag will make your content organized and helps the search engine to understand what is most important on your web page. So I'm choosing here H3, as H3 tag represents a subheading that is less important than H1 and H2 but more important than H4, H5 and H6. Next we have this description option. From here you can add the description about the feature or info. Yeah. Just for example, I'm writing here creativity. I forget what's right next. Yeah. Let's write here creative design. Yeah, like this. Now let's set this to default because I'm good without this description. Now let's create the other info list in the same manner. Like this, this, and this. Yeah. And if you want to add more items, then click on this add item option. Now close this general section. Now jump to the styling tab. Let's do some styling of our widget. Under the styling tab, here we have the general, media, title and description section. Here we have this alignment option. We can choose from left, center or right. I'm choosing here left, like this. Next we have the space bottom option. From here we can adjust the space between this list. Just drag the slider to adjust the space. I'm setting the space bottom to 5, like this. Now we have this box shadow option. From here we can add a box shadow to this list, like this. Use this horizontal, vertical, and blur and spread slider to adjust the shadow, like this. Now set this all to default because I'm good without this shadow. Next, we have this background type option. From here, we can choose a background type for this list. Let's choose the color to pink. Yeah. Now let's choose the gradient background. For this, we need to choose the second color. Let's choose the second color to somewhat blue or purple. Yeah. So like this. Let's choose the blue. And look, pretty amazing, right? But I think so. I don't want to use this background and gradient background. I just want to keep it simple. Now we have this border type option. From here we can choose the border type. I'm choosing here solid. We also have this border width option. Let me show you how this border width will work. I'm setting the border width to 2. Let's choose this to 1. Let's choose the border color to blue. And look. Moving to the next option, here we have this border radius option. You can use this border radius option to make the edges round. Just for example, I'm setting this to 20. Wait, let me increase the border width. Yeah. If I'm setting the border width to 3, you can see the border. And the round edges, yeah. Now let's add some padding. I'm setting the padding to 20. Basically, padding is a space between the content and the border of an element. And look. Now let's set this all to default. But you need to know that before this, we used to do this all stuff with the help of designer. But now you can adjust the border, margin, padding, border radius, border type, each and everything with just one click. Now close this general section and move to the media section. At first, here we have this alignment option. From here, we can choose the alignment to top, like this, bottom, and middle. I'm choosing here middle. Now we have this color option of media. For this, we need to choose a picture first. So let's close this media section and move back to the content tab. And click on this item number 1. Click on this image option. Yeah, like this. Now come back to the style tab. Let's choose the normal color to blue and the background type color to light pink. Now we have this box shadow option. From here we can add a box shadow like this. We can also choose the border type. I'm choosing here solid and the border width to 22 just to show you how it works. Now let's choose the border radius. I'm setting the border radius to 20. And look, you can see the round edges. Now let's add some margin. Oops, it's just too much. And let's set this to default. I think so I'm good without the settings. Let's move back to the content tab and remove this image. And choose the icon. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now come back to the styling tab. Here we have this border radius. Let's set this to default. Now set the all colors to default. Now we can customize the icon size and the background size of this icon. Just drag the slider to adjust the icon size. In the same manner, the background size. I'm setting the icon size to 15 and the background size to 25. Like this. No, I think so I should increase the background size. Yeah, I'm setting the background size to 27. Here we have the image and custom settings. Feel free to play around with these options for more adjustments. Now close this media section and move to the title section. From here we can customize the title. Click on this typography drop-down menu. From here we will choose the font style. Let's choose the fonts to Poppins. Now let's adjust the font size. You can adjust the font size like this. Now I'm setting the weight to 400 normal, like this. Now close this drop-down menu. Here we have this color option. We can choose the color on normal and hover street. We also have a choice in this color option. We can choose classic or gradient color. Let's choose the classic color first. I'm choosing the color to red. Now move to the gradient. For this, we need to choose a second color. Let's choose a color somewhat blue. Yeah, look, it's so light, I know. You can see, this is the gradient color. Now I'm setting this all to default. I'm choosing the title color to black. Now move to the hover. I'm choosing the title color to gray. And the final results will look like this. You can see, we also have this margin option. I'm setting the margin to 20. And look, this is how it works. Let's set this to 5. Now close this title section and move to the description section. Now we can adjust the description. But first we need to add a description. So move back to the content tab. Click on the item number 1. Let's add the description here. Creative design. Yeah. Now come back to the styling tab. Move to the description section. Let's choose the fonts family. You can see you can try this fonts family like this. Adjust the font size. You can choose the weight, 400 or 500. Let's set the font size to 20. Now we can choose the color. I'm choosing the classic color to red. Now let's choose the gradient color. Let's choose the gradient color to somewhat blue. Yeah, like this. Hope you guys are getting it in the right way that how to use these features. Now let's set this all to default. We can also add a margin like this. If I'm setting this to 20, and look. Now set this all to default because I'm good without this description. Now close this section and close this tab. And we are done with our info list. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask any question in the comments below. I would love to help you guys out. Now let's have a final look. I've just shown you how to use this XPRO Infolist widget in your portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.